Okay, so let's talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and what is going on in the overall marketplace. It's a little quiet. We're going to talk about that, and we're going to take a look at the stock side of the house to kind of see what's going on there. But we'll also wrap this discussion around kind of what's going on from a macro standpoint. Thank you for your support. Let's get into this. So, right now, crypto is down about 1.25%. You can see that we're still at 1 trillion, 1.06 trillion there. Bitcoin doing well, holding at 23.2, and well is relative, right? So, 24-hour low is 2307, so it's kind of clawed its way back a little bit from that, but it's been as high as 23, basically 23.6 right there. And Ethereum, similar story, just a little bit tighter of a price range, if you will, trading between 1602 and 1644, trading on the lower end of that range right now. But you can take a look. I mean, there is nothing going on. There is not a lot from overall price movement. You can see Cardano is down 2.9, basically 3%. XRP is at that 37, 38-cent range, not really doing a lot either. Solana down to over 2.5. Polkadot down 3%. SHIB down 2.8. How's Doge? Let's see. Doge is faring a little bit better. Definitely not doesn't have as much volatility in it right now. Not moving down. And I was going to take a look at the volume here real quickly. So volume, yeah, this doesn't surprise me. Volume down 10.5+%. Okay, so we've got kind of the stage set where um, we are now waiting on the March scenario. This is the last day of February. Uh, just to give you some perspective, Bitcoin is up 40+% from the beginning of the year. Everything's really up. It's ironic, even though we're in kind of this not great place right now where there's not a lot going on. But overall, I mean, the market from a percentage gain, Bitcoin's up, Ethereum's up, Shiba Inu's up like over 50+%. Pretty much everything has had a nice little bounce up. Not everything has moved up as much, proportionally, but we have had positive momentum. And now we are in this no man's land, if you will, of what is going to happen in March with the inflation data or not. We have March 21 and 22nd with the FOMC meeting coming. We have another CPI report that we will get early in March. We will get some insight into the jobs growth or lack thereof. We don't want it to be growing as hot as it has been, which I know seems kind of contradictory, but that is in line with trying to tame inflation and recessions and all those kind of things. And so all of that adds up to uncertainty. All of that equals a scenario where the overall market is just doing, this, right? It's down. The overall market is just not doing anything. No real direction. The bulls are not in control. The bears are not in control. The bulls are not in control. No one's in control. It's almost like if you ever played that game when you were a kid, hot potato, you know, which I actually did. It's kind of odd and random thought, but I did. I remember that. You literally had a hot potato and you kind of tossed it and it was hot and you didn't want to be the one holding it and all that kind of stuff. Similar to musical chairs, kind of that if that metaphor works better for you. Let's take a look at the stock market. So the stock market, similarly, can't say that. That's one word I've always had a struggle with. Dow down 232, Nasdaq down 11. Volatile month as far as kind of on the stock side of the house. Some earnings misses and things of that nature. It's one of those deals right now where financial markets are in turmoil, a little bit quiet turmoil, if you will. Uncertainty. It's that uncertainty, fear, uncertainty. You've got major news outlets. Like, let me show you something real quickly. Earlier today, I was looking. Let me show you, see if it's still on. CNN.com. Um, yeah. So let's see. There was a article on CNN.com today, something about the Russia. Have all my caps on here. Oh, there it is. I apologize. It's on USA Today. Putin issues alert after drone strike deep into Russia, Ukraine updates. And the reason I'm showing you that is, um, you have global media or a mainstream media start talking about the war and things of this nature. Obviously, that has not gone away. Uncertainty, fear. People are holding those dollars and keeping them close. So that's what I got for you. Not a lot going on. Thanks for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one. Go make some money.